Hello, it's BrandonFlex4547 here. Today I'm going to show you, well, I recently gotten a new microwave named, not going to tell her what her name is yet, what her name is. So now I'm going to smash Sharon. Yep, that's right. You know it. Hope you can see that. Yep, you can see it perfectly. So, first thing I'm going to do, snap off her door. Okay. It's like thick plastic right here. I'm sorry, Sharon. Sorry, this is the way it has to be. But for YouTube's enjoyment, I just had to. Is it still filming? Kidding me? Oh, okay. You can't see the red light when you're over there. Okay. Here's your door. Feel like a rock star. Oh my gosh, yeah. Awesome. This rain is coming off. Okay. Now let's get to the big part. Smashing Sharon. Okay. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm a professional. Yes, that's right. I think everybody on our block has dogs. Okay. Shut up! See me, but there we go. Sharon is smashed. What if she still works? Okay, one more thing. Thank you for watching. Comment and subscribe. And remember, this was a BrandonFlex production. There's Sharon.